Hi, I'm Kate Rimmer and I'm one of the designers that worked on Things to Make and Do for People You Love. The book contains loads of easy ideas for children aged 3 and over to make, and it's specially written so you don't need to go out and buy any specialist art materials. Each craft activity is really clearly explained with step-by-step instructions and illustrations and with a photo of the finished thing at the end. My favourite crafts in the book have to be the sock bunny, the friendly pencil toppers and the pebble pals, because they're just perfect gifts to make for your friends and family, and they were just so much fun to make and test. My daughter loves helping me test the crafts for this series, and her favourite in this book have to be the flower wristbands. She loved giving them to all her friends. And she loved also helping me choose one of her old socks to make into the lovely stripy bunny in this book. There are over 25 craft projects, but also colouring pages and things to learn to draw.